Okay, so the next thing that we are going to talk about is the synthetic division. Synthetic division is very similar to synthetic substitution. Yun nga lang, sa synthetic substitution, we're just finding the value of p of x. But we are going to use the same process of synthetic substitution in doing synthetic division. So in synthetic division, dinidefine lang natin kung ano yung mga terms ng ating quotient. So paano natin gagawin yon? We are going to discuss that in this video. Synthetic division. So let's say, for example, we have the polynomial of x is equal to 5x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed plus, oh, I'm sorry, that's minus 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 5x plus 8. And we want to divide that by x plus 2. Again, yung ginagawa natin sa synthetic substitution, we have to find first for the value of x. Okay, so we are going to equate now x plus 2 into 0. So, kailangan maiwan si x ito. So, minus 2 on both sides. So, that is x is equal to negative 2. Therefore, we're going to divide 5x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 5x plus 8 by negative 2. Okay? So the value over r is negative 2. So let's do now the synthetic division. Synthetic division follows the step-by-step process of synthetic substitution. So the value of our x is negative 2. Let's copy the coefficient of each terms. So we have positive 5, negative 2, 6, negative 5, and positive 8. Next step, you have to bring down, let me color that as B. You have to bring down 5, magiging green yan, OC. You have to bring down 5 and multiply it by negative 2. So that is negative 10. So negative 10 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 12. We have this by color black. So negative 12 times negative 2, that is negative times negative, so that is positive 24. Positive 24 plus 6, that is equal to 13. Next, we have 30 times negative 2, that is equal to negative 60. So same process lang ng synthetic substitution yung susundan natin. So we have negative 60 plus negative 5, that is negative 65. Negative 65 times negative 2, that is negative times positive. So negative times negative, so that is positive 130. 130 plus 8, we have 138. 138 here is your remainder. Okay? Yun yung diniscuss nung ni Ate Girl kanina dun sa ating first section. So, how are we going to define this now? In synthetic division, you have to define now the quotient with its corresponding terms or degree. Okay. In this case, our constant is negative 65. So, we have negative 65. Next, the next term for constant is your a times x. So we have positive 30 x. Okay? Kasi meron siyang imaginary exponent of 1. Next, your next term will be negative 12 x squared. And you have 5x cubed. Since meron tayong remainder, we know that remainder is expressed, your r of x is expressed as r over the divisor of x. Okay, so ang divisor natin dito is x plus 2. So we are going to express now positive 138 over x plus 2 as our remainder. Therefore, this is the quotient now of p of x, 5x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 5x plus 8 divided by x plus 2 using synthetic division. Okay, so let's have another example using synthetic division. So let's say we have the p of x. We have the polynomial 2x raised to 5 minus 3x raised to 4 plus 5x squared plus 5x minus 12. We want to divide that by x plus 1. So again, first you have to find the value of x plus 1. Find the value of x from x plus 1. So you have x is equal to negative 1. Okay. You can follow the process of transposition. So ang value ng ating x dito ay negative 1. So we have negative 1 here. Next, we are going to copy the coefficient. Take note, meron tayong nawawalang term dito. Parang sa synthetic substitution din. You have the degree of 5, degree of 4, and degree of 2 already. Our degree of 3, which is 0x raised to 3, is missing. Therefore, meron tayong 0 in between negative 3 and 5. So, let's write it down. So, you have 2, negative 3. Next, the degree of 3, we have 0, 5, 5, and negative 12. So, let's find the quotient. So, you have to follow the synthetic division process. So, we have to bring down 2. 2 times negative 1, that's negative 2. We have negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 1, that is positive 5. 0 plus 5, that is 5. 5 times negative 1, that is negative 5. 5 plus negative 5, that is 0. Because we are adding a positive and negative number, therefore we should follow subtraction. So 0 minus 1, we have 0. 5 plus 0, we have 5. 5 times negative 1, that is negative 5. Adding negative 12 and negative 5, we have negative 17. You have a remainder of negative 17. Therefore, negative 17 can be expressed as 17 over our divisor x plus 1. Yan. So, let's express this one. So, you have our constant is 5. Mas madali pag nag-working backwards tayo. So, our constant is 5. Ang 0x natin ay still 0. So, hindi na natin siya ilalagay. We have positive 5x squared. This is x raised to 1, x squared, x cubed, and x raised to the 4. So, 5x squared, you have negative 5x cubed, and positive 2x raised to 4. We have a remainder of negative 17 over x plus 1. So, you're going to add that here. So, negative 17 over x plus 1. This is now the quotient of the polynomial 2x raised to 5 minus 3x raised to 4 plus 5x squared plus 5x minus 12 divided by x plus 1. Basta x plus 1 yun. Okay, so ganun lang siya kasimple. Again, step-by-step process. First, you have to find the value of x before proceeding into synthetic substitution. Let's have another example. For example, number 3. We have p of x is equal to 6s raised to 4 plus 5x cubed minus 7x squared minus 8x plus 8. We have to divide it by 4. Again, the value of x here is negative 4. So let's proceed to synthetic division. So our terms are complete. You have 4, 3, 2, 1, and constant. So just copy it, the coefficient. So we have 6, 5, negative 7, negative 8, and then 8. So bring down 6. 6 times negative 4, that is negative 24. Negative 24 plus 5, that is negative 19. Negative 19 times negative 4 is equal to positive 76. Positive 76 plus negative 7, that is 69. 69, your favorite number. 69 times 4, have negative 276 plus 8 plus negative 8, so that is negative 284 times negative 4, so we have negative times negative positive, so we have 1360 plus 8, 306 rather, plus 8, you have 1144 as your remainder. And the remainder can be expressed in polynomial 114 over the divisor x plus 4. So, by polynomial function, we now have quotient. This is x raised to 1, x raised to 2, x raised to 3. This is your constant. So, we have negative 284, 69x minus 19x squared, and 6x cubed. So this is your quotient plus the remainder 1144 over x plus 4. This is our quotient. Let's have another example. Now, kapag wala namang remainder, so hindi nyo na kailangang ilagay yung remainder. For example, instead of meron siyang natirang 114, you only have 6. You only have, let's color that black. You only have 6, negative 19, 69, negative 284, and then 0. Kapag ka-0 yung last, wala siyang remainder. So, proceed na kayo agad doon sa ating polynomial function. Kung wala siyang remainder. Okay. So, again, yun na lang yung sagot. Pero kapag ka may remainder, ganito nyo i-express yung ating remainder over the divisor. So, that's all for the synthetic division. Thank you.